Welcome back to CoCo Finance. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more financial insights and tips. Today, we're diving deep into the world of house mortgages. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or just curious about the process, this video is for you. Let's get started. First and foremost, let's demystify the term. A mortgage isn't just a loan, it's a secured loan. This means the loan is backed by the value of the property you're buying. Breaking it down further. Down payment, think of this as your initial investment in your home. It's a clear indicator to lenders that you're financially responsible. While 20% is often cited as a standard down payment, there are many loan programs, especially for first-time buyers, that allow for much lower down payments. Principal and interest, over the life of your loan, the balance shifts. Initially, you're paying off more interest than principal. But as time goes on, a more significant portion of your payments reduces the loan amount. Property taxes and insurance, these are non-negotiables. Property taxes fund community resources, while homeowners insurance is a safety net against unforeseen damages. Some homeowners also require private mortgage insurance, especially if their down payment is below 20%. Securing a mortgage is a journey, and like all journeys, preparation is key. Check your credit score. Beyond eligibility, your credit score can influence your interest rate. Regularly check for discrepancies and understand the factors influencing your score. Determine your budget. Beyond monthly payments, consider future costs, renovations, repairs, and potential increases in property taxes. Get pre-approved. This is your ticket to show real estate agents and sellers that you mean business. It's based on actual financial data, making it more reliable than a simple pre-qualification. Choose the right mortgage type. Do your research. From FHA loans, beneficial for those with lower credit scores, to VA loans for veterans, there's a mortgage product for almost every situation. Shop for a home. With a clear budget, you can focus on what matters, finding the perfect home that meets your needs and aspirations. Finalize the loan. This is where due diligence comes in. Lenders will verify all the information provided, and an appraiser will confirm the property's value. Close on your home. This is the final stretch. You will review and sign several documents, make your down payment, and pay closing costs. Then, the moment you've been waiting for, the keys to your new home. And that wraps up our deep dive into mortgages. Remember, every home buying journey is unique, so arm yourself with knowledge and surround yourself with a trusted team of professionals. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and comment below with your experiences or questions. We're here to help and learn together. Stay tuned to CoCo Finance for more insights, and until next time, make every financial decision count.